This is a brief demonstration of how to answer the survey that asks you to identify ecologically important marine areas using CSketch. Visit eima.csketch.org to begin. The survey exists under the Participate tab. To take the survey, you must log in or register. I've already registered with CSketch, so I'll log in with my existing credentials. Click EIMA Survey. Then, click the green button that says Take the Survey. You'll find useful maps to guide your drawing under the Data Layers tab. I'm going to turn on the nautical charts, but you may choose from others. And under the Legends and Ordering button, I'll change the opacity of the charts so that I can see some of the ocean base map relief underneath it. You can use the plus/minus button in the upper right corner to zoom in or out. Here I'm holding the Shift key while clicking and dragging the mouse to zoom in. Back under the Participate tab, I'll continue with the survey by clicking Add a Feature. Follow the instructions in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on the map to create one vertex. Move your mouse to add another. Double-click the last point to finish the drawing. You can also click here to edit your drawing. By moving the white vertices, you can refine your drawing by adding new vertices. Add notes for context. Click and drag the map to move to another location. Then click Add a Feature to begin another drawing. Add notes and even upload documents to contextualize your drawing. When finished, click the green button that says Submit Response. You may take the survey as many times as you like.